Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be making some chili mac. It is a very awesome, easy meal to make that's very filling, nice for the winter and the colder months. Pretty simple, this is how we do it. All right, I have with me 1 pound of ground beef, okay. Come on. All right. Break that up a bit, get it cooking. I'll drain off our fat, just so we can add more in different forms later. You know, that's how it goes. That's the American way, right? Take off the fat so we can add more later. But our form of fat is gonna be tastier than this form of fat, and it's probably gonna do better on my non-existent gallbladder, so there you go. All right. So we have our ground beef. I'm going to add in a half, this is about a half of a medium-sized red bell pepper and, oh, what would you say, like maybe half of a medium-sized onion. Ours were gigantic, so this is only like a quarter of it. All right. I'm gonna mix that all in. Let it get nice and happy. Oh, that smells good, actually. All right, I keep moving this thing. And then, as it's doing that, I have this awesome homemade chili seasoning mix. Now, if you want to buy the packets in the store, go for it. It's easy, it's fast, no judgment, I get it. However, if you would like to make your own, as I did here, I will leave all the amounts and the ingredients in the description below if you want to make your own. It does have less salt in it, less non-caking agents and things that probably don't need to be in there, but again, no judgment. If you want to do that, go for it. So I'm going to add this in here. Along with this bad boy. Got some stewed tomatoes. These ones are diced. You can go with whole, whatever you have, whatever's easiest, whatever you can find. It's all the same in the end. I've got 1 can of kidney beans. I have some elbow macaroni. This is a, how big is this? This is a 1 pound package. Now, I don't need the whole thing in here, so I'm only gonna do about half. Like that. Because keep in mind, pasta's gonna double. So whatever you see here, it's gonna be twice as big. Then, we're gonna add in 2.5 cups of beef broth. Give it a little mix here. Now that everything is in our pan, we are going to put the lid on it, let it simmer for a little while until the noodles are cooked. And really, that's pretty much all there is to it, other than adding some cheese and sour cream if you wish. And it's a one-pot wonder, it's done. So, let me go grab that. I'm marking it down. There we go. Our noodles are al dente, so they're just a little bit firm, but they're not totally cooked through and they're not hard. So I'm gonna turn that way, 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 way down. If you notice, it is a little bit saucy still, which is just fine because we are going to add in our cheese. I have some Colby Jack cheese. I'm gonna add about a cup of it because you can't have chili mac without the cheese. So we're gonna kind of stir that in, let it melt. Let it get nice and happy. And then we're gonna add a whole crap ton more. Ready? Here we go. And that, my folks, should do it. Okay. This is also going to help thicken it up. So if it's a little soupy, don't panic. And also, the longer that it stands, the more that the noodles are going to soak up. So, because remember, they're not totally cooked, they're most of the way cooked. It's looking good. Okay, time to dish up, I believe. And just because I can, we're gonna add some more cheese on the top. If you want to add sour cream, like I said, you can add sour cream. You can add tortilla strips or, you know, fresh tomatoes, cilantro, whatever suits your fancy. And that is a very quick and easy one pot wonder. All right, let's dig in. See if I passed my dinner test. Come on, get in there. Okay, be very careful, it's very, very hot. Oh, you guys, this is really good. This is surprisingly good. So, yes, give it a try. Let me know if you made any additions or any subtractions, any tweaks to it. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you as well. And I'm gonna go eat this because this is just really, really good and I'm kind of distracted right now, so. All right, adios, my friends. Till next time.